One of the questions has to do with client permission. So this photographer DM me and said, hey, I have this client that we shot the engagement session, and they don't want their pictures to be published online. What do I do? Well, it's simple. What you do, you respect your client's wishes, right? If your client doesn't want their pictures posted online, you don't post them online. That's simple. That's what it is. It's not about you guys. And I know it hurts because sometimes we get beautiful images, we get those amazing images, and we can't market them. We can use them for market. We can post on our feeds. That's just the way it is. It happens to everybody. I have had clients like that, and it doesn't happen too often, but once in a while, when clients requires that we don't post the image, it's fine. We just don't post them, because if you post them, you open yourself to a bunch of other issues that you don't really want to deal with. You want to be respectful of your clients' wishes. Okay, so that's an easy one. If the client says, I don't want my pictures posted, you just don't post them. All right.